Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility and gathering evidence to avoid delays. Verify your account standing with the carrier, save the device EMEI and purchase receipt, and back up everything so nothing is lost. Once done, make sure the device battery is adequately charged and that you have login access to the account owner email. I'm not walking you through cracking locks. Instead, you'll prepare everything needed for an authorized unlock request or manufacturer-supported path. You now contact the official source, carrier or manufacturer support. Explain your situation, provide the EMEI and purchase proof, and confirm account authorization. Polite persistence helps. Once they accept, they'll either send a documented unlock code or perform a sanctioned remote unlock. Make sure to note any time windows or device conditions they require. If they request forms, complete them promptly. This route avoids jailbreaking or third-party bypass services and keeps your warranty and legal protections intact. Finish by following the official steps you received. Double-check the EMEI and account info before confirming. If the provided method doesn't work, ask the provider to escalate or schedule an authorized service center visit. Do not attempt unofficial tools. If problems persist, gather all communications, reference numbers, and receipts and file a formal dispute with the carrier or manufacturer. One key troubleshooting tip: pause and contact support rather than retrying third-party methods that could void warranties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.